Hey, if you're tired of renting and you've got, you're kicking out $2,000, $2,500 a month, even more in this market on a rental, and you want to buy something that is ready to go, we might have a good one for you today.
Yeah, today we're in Oak Hill Plantation, and we're at 1006 Golden Aspen Road, and this is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,766 square feet. With a brand new roof, might I add.
Brand new roof in the low 300s.
Low 300s.
We don't see much in the way of homes anywhere in this area in the low 300s, especially. I don't know what the new roof costs, but I mean, roofs are expensive.
Yeah, and they just put granite countertops in for the new owner as well. So not new cabinets, but new countertops, new roof. Really nice.
So good location. We're about just a mile from Moncks Corner proper, right?
Yeah, downtown Moncks Corner.
What's that place with the gators and the flowers and
Cypress Gardens?
Cypress Gardens. Yeah, it's only
less than 20 minutes away.
Yeah,
and then we got Berkeley Country Club. Pretty right around the corner.
Always gonna break.
I gotta pull in the golf.
If we were in the middle of nowhere selling the house, we're and we're only 17-hour drive to the local country club. That doesn't make it local if it's that far away.
Well,
but this one is close.
Yeah, it is kind of close.
And that's one of your favorite courses.
It is.
Yeah. So
we don't know each other. My name is Mark. This is Jeff. We're with the Charleston Area Living Group, and we talk about all things Somerville and Charleston. And today we're in Moncks Corner.
Yeah, so let's go inside, check this one out. Really a great floor plan. It's a ranch. That's awesome. A lot of people looking for a ranch, multi-generational living, no steps to deal with. I'm excited to show it to you. Let's see it. So Mark, great little house, great price point, 4 bedrooms. A lot of the homes in this price point are 3 bedrooms. This has a fourth with a brand new roof. And if you noticed, a little roof education here. There's 3 tab shingles that can be put on a roof, and there's architectural shingles that can be put on.
And one is better than the other.
One is better than the other.
There's like a good best.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Architectural is the best.
And that's what we got.
And that's what they put in this roof. So that actually will last like another 5, 7, 8 years typically over a 3-tab roof.
Yeah, and we already kind of talked about the location and where we're at, kind of in between Goose Creek and Moncks Corner, a little bit closer to Moncks Corner.
Close to golf courses.
Close to golf courses,
okay.
Yeah.
So if you have questions of this one, Mark, what do they do?
Yeah, down in the description, there's a link. You can schedule a Zoom call with us if you want specific questions or wondering, is this the right neighborhood for you? We would love to talk to you about that. Or, of course, you can call, text, email, all that fun stuff too.
Yeah. Or if you just want to come walk through the door with us, we'll set up a time to make it happen.
Let's do it.
See y'all.